Up at the gun club doing a little shooting today. The guys were complaining that the air compressor in the storage building did not work. So we'll bring some tools up, check it out. First thing, shut off the breaker for the panel ground fault interruption circuit. I verified power was off with the voltmeter, took the screws out. Let's open it up, see what's happening. They do have this connected right. They're on the line side. We can turn the power back on. We can grab our meter and see if we have power across these two legs. Oh, difficult to hold like chopsticks. 122.9 volts. So we do have power coming to our ground fault. We'll shut that back off. Double check it again. Now we are at 0 voltage. We'll change this thing out. This one is just a single feed, so we have the line coming in. Any other break or any other outlets that we had in the building, if we would have been protected by our ground fault, would have come in or connected into underneath that yellow tab. That would have been for our load or our outgoing. So we do have a couple of other outlets in here. One stuck over here by some tent posts. That one also is a ground fault, but I have a suspicion that when we push the test in the reset, we get no function. I have a feeling that that breaker is probably just shut off. It says receptacle, but I'm not sure which one it is. We'll try these other three, because I know we've got some receptacles where we keep our Sporting Clays chargers plugged in. Nope, no test, no reset. I have a feeling that our ground faults in the building are toast. So I brought one up with me today. We'll turn these other three 20 amperes off, leave our panel ground fault off. Have a new replacement ground fault. So we will get that one wired in, powered up, so that our air compressor works. All right, got the new outlet installed, and as you can see, the reset is raised on this one versus the old one was sitting flush, still at 0 volts. We can re-energize the circuit. 0 volts. We'll hit the reset. Reset the voltmeter because it timed out. Hey, 1, 2, 3 volts. Test. Reset. Back in business. Problem solved. Now let's check this air compressor and see if this actually works. And we remove our tools. Turn on the switch somewhere over here, which I can't see from the wrong side of the machine. There we are. Yeah, that works. That's loud. Back in business. Thanks for watching general repairs and upgrades